Amidst the vigorous development of the charging pile industry in 2025, Seconpower, a veteran with decades of dedication to this field, attracts customers with exquisite crafts and retains them through high-quality intelligent experiences. Among these strengths, our independently developed cloud platform has been fully adapted to the entire range of charging pile products. After multiple rounds of rigorous testing and scenario verification, it not only enables full-function remote control of charging piles, including remote start-stop, status monitoring, fault early warning, and parameter adjustment, but also optimizes operational strategies through data visualization analysis. This significantly reduces manual operation and maintenance costs, increases equipment operating efficiency by over 30%, and creates a new unmanned, intelligent, and efficient charging operation model for customers. We always take customer needs as our core and forge ahead with determination, providing end-to-end integrated charging pile solutions covering everything from preliminary admin communication and solution customization to midterm product RD&, production testing, and then to latter delivery and operation maintenance support. The trust of customers is the greatest driving force for our progress. Currently, Seconpower has successfully established depth cooperation with a number of enterprises in Europe and the Middle East. Relying on the dual advantages of high-performance products, high-quality services, we have won high recognition and long-term trust from customers. For more details, please visit our official website.